Hello everyone, welcome to part 120 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we are going to show order logs and history and tracking details in the user account. In the last part, we able to do it in the admin panel, and now we are going to do it in front. So let's start. So there are few steps that we are going to take. So you are required to follow the instructions under video, and we are going to follow these instructions and we'll do those steps step by step. Okay, first thing is that I'm going to log in into the user account. I will log in with id amit100@yahoo.com. After login, we will go to the account page and we will go to the my orders. Okay, so here you can see the orders are coming, but we will go one specific order. In any order we can go. Okay, so here we are going to show the order logs and tracking details. So the same thing we are going to do, the same step that we are going to follow now. First thing is that we are going to add the log relation in the order details function. That log relation that we have created in the last part. Okay, the relation between the order as well as the log. Okay, between the order and the log, and one order can have the many logs. Okay, so this is the has many relation between the order and the log, and this relation we are going to attach with the order query here, in which we are fetching the order details. So I'm going to open here the order controller located at front, and here you can see that we are having here the order details function, in which we are already having the two relations, order products and user, and now one more relation we are going to add, that is the log. And if you want to see the relation between the order and log, then you are required to open the order model, in which you can see the relation. Like here you can see the has many relation. One order can have many logs. Okay, so this is the relation between the order and log. So after attaching it, then we are going to update the order details blade file that is located at the front resources view front. Okay, resources view front orders order details blade file. Okay, so here we are going to add this div to show all the logs, in which we have added the for each loop to display all the logs. Okay, so this one we can add after this one we can add after showing the products, then we can add this as well. Okay, so before this shipping address we can add. So what I'm going to do, I will first check that where we can add it here. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. So this div will come here, and this is the same for each loop that we have done in the admin panel as well, in which we have added that logs. Okay, in the for each loop, one order can have the many logs starting from the order place to in process shipped. Okay, so all these and also if the log is shipped, if the order status is shipped, then we are going to display the courier name as well as the tracking number. So I'm going to refresh and we'll see. Yes, the logs are coming now, and you can see the logs are coming. Like first one is the pending, then in process, then in process again, then the latest log, that is the shipped log, and the tracking details of this order is also coming. Courier name, FedEx, tracking number, this one, and the date and time is also coming. So finally we able to show the order status history in detail page, in order detail page for every order. Okay, so and this one it will also work like placed and shipped. So shipped will come, see, placed will come for the all orders, and shipped will come whenever the order will get shipped, then the shipped will come, and the delivered will come once the admin updates the order to the delivered, then it will also get highlighted. Okay, so I hope that you able to do this one at your end. In next video we will start working on the order invoice, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.